better than the weekend. We can take a back to what we said. Just friends. Don't wanna tell you something new. I never said I'd fall for you. I want it better than the weekend. You can't show me just what I'm missing. Pretend. Don't wanna.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Angie with the Best Creations. Welcome to my channel. I'm not gonna be on camera again today. I'm just coming on really quick to show y'all a really cute little simple Mother Day gift. I got a couple things here on camera. Let me say, hold on, I'm moving too fast. Let me slow down, pump my brakes. Thank you for all my new subbies. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Thank y'all so much. The girl is truly humbled and blessed for each and every one of y'all subscribing to my channel, for watching my videos. I thank y'all so much for that. So now let's get on into this video. All right, so what I'm using is this box from the 99-cent store. I know they're going out of business, so I grabbed one of those. This is a really cute box because I was hoping to get some watches, but I have not had no luck in that. Anyways, I got these from the 99-cent store, these inspirational books. I'm just trying to figure out which one I really want to put in here. This candle I showed y'all on one of my shorts that I did pick up. I'm thinking if I want to use that. So just very simple, and I don't know which rose I want, if I even want to use a rose. So let's get on into this.
You could be what I want. You could be what I need. You could be what I want, what I need. Looking up at the skyline, all the places and times that you went there. Looking up at the skyline, all the places and times that you went there. Oh, why? You were there for the best times, all the days that it went right. You were there looking up at the skyline, all the places and times that you went there, Oh,
Alright, so I had 3 different looks with the books, should I say, changing out the book and the rose. I don't know. I think I might want this one. Yeah, I think I like that one better because it has the pink, the whites, and I thought about this one, real simple. I'm stuck between this one and that one. I'm torn between the two. Okay, I think I'm gonna stick with this one right here, y'all. I think that is the look. I like the white letters with the white rose. All right, y'all, I'm gonna wrap this in a 16 by 24. Yes, this is extra large, too large, but I am gonna have to doctor this up. That I know, but look how cute she is. She is so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna try my best, y'all. But I do want to seal this up. I think I'll do. I don't want to waste this bag. I don't know. I usually would have all kind of size bags, but I don't got them no more. So I'm gonna try to work with this 16 by 24 and see what it do.
Didn't know then, but I know now. Best kept secret, but you know now. Take a look what I started. Knew it right when I found it. Eyes on me 'cause I got it. I got it. Do what I want, it's my party. I just answer my calling. They all up 'cause I got it. I got it. I got it, yeah. I got it, yeah. I got it, yeah.
Y'all sitting here watching Shant the Queen. She's showing this lovely cake. Oh my gosh, making me hungry for y'all. She was showing some cake.
We had some fried chicken. We had some.
Let me focus because she just made my stomach growl. I love it. Oh gosh, I wish I had more of this. All right, isn't she cute? Yes. Oh my gosh, I wish I had more sets like this, y'all. Now this would be a cute, inexpensive gift. Once I put me a little cute little bow on here, and she gonna be ready. I can make these all day long. We ain't gonna play with this a lot because I don't like all that wrinkled, damaged look. I don't like that. So I am going to wrap that up. I mean, I'm gonna put a bow. I'm gonna put a bow on her, y'all. She is cute. Let me put her on her spin. Let's spin her around. Hold on, I'm gonna put the green one. I'm gonna put the green one.
Whatever you wanna be, so I told myself I'ma be a singer, I'ma play on the keys. I can do whatever I want if I just believe, yeah. But then over the years, everybody's telling me to find a career, and I'll be rolling my eyes, thinking I'll be alright with my guitar by my side. But now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill, and a tenner for my bus pass too. I wish I could go back and tell myself that life is gonna hit you hard. They say money won't buy you happiness, but being broke really ain't a good time. So all I want is just to get paid, and no, I ain't ashamed of trying to make a wage, no. Money, 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 money makes the world go round. I need money, 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 money. Money got me feeling down. They said go and chase your dreams, but never told me that I have to wake up. I need money, 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 money. Somebody tell me where we wrong, 'cause nowadays it's like I gotta pay to breathe. Why are we romanticizing, working 9 to 5 and stifling our dreams? They tell me think about the future, yeah, but what if I don't even make it there? I don't wanna be worrying about that, but that's been where my mind. 'Cause now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill, and a tenner for my bus pass too. I wish I could go back and tell myself that life is gonna hit you hard. They say money won't buy you happiness, but being broke really ain't a good time. So all I want is just to get paid, and no, I ain't ashamed of trying to make a wage, no.